Everybody, today I want to talk about how to download Workbench or how to install Workbench and maybe put it in a single folder or something like what I do here. I put mine in a folder called consoles and I work with different brands, so I just put all of mine in here. That way I can open up whichever brand or whichever version that I need at the time that I need it. Now, there are software out there that'll kind of do this for you. I'll show you one of them. I know Cochrane has the Workplace Launcher that allows easy access for launching all your different Niagaras, right? I don't use that, but I will show you how to do this. So I downloaded 14.14, Johnson's version of 4.14, just because I don't have it yet in here. So I'm going to unzip this, and that's going to unzip it here. Now, normally I would do this in my downloads folder, but I have a bunch of junk in there that I don't want to share with the world. So I'm just doing this on my blank screen here. And with the magic of fast forward editing, that made it seem a lot quicker than what it actually was. It wasn't too long. But now I have my extracted version. I'm going to double click there. I'm going to choose the 64-bit installer because I'm running 64-bit everything in Niagara after I think what 410 doesn't support 32-bit anymore. So 64-bit, double click on that and install. Next, you have to agree to all the terms. Fun stuff. Now that honestly doesn't take that long. It's going to open that and license it. I'm going to delete this so I can just get it off my hard drive here. Don't need those files again. Oops. Might still need this one until it opens. All right, it went and checked for license. It found one out there, so now it says it's licensed. Well, I'm open. I'm not going to do anything in Workbench today. I'm going to close it. Now I got to find the exe file that opens it. And to find that, depending on the vendor, it's in different spots. A lot of them are in Niagara, but JCI FX is actually in JCI. So I'll go to JCI. I'll go to 414 right here, the one I just installed. I'm going to go to the bin, and I'm going to make a shortcut copy of the console. So I'm going to create a shortcut here. I can rename the shortcut. Usually I just do FX 14.14.1. And then I'm going to go and drop that in here. Now all this is a folder. I just created a folder and I went to the property sheet of the folder and the advanced tab, actually the customized tab, and I customized it with a different icon. That's why it looks like that. But all this is a folder. And now when I open it, now I have an FX 414 and an FX 410, right? Now all I have to do to choose any one of these is double click on it from here, and that's going to open my console. Now for my console, I can open my full platform by typing flat space install daemon. And what that does, it goes down and installs the daemon of that version of Workbench. And I can verify that by going down here and typing services and looking at Niagara services and open it up, and I can see that FX Workbench 414 is installed and running. Okay, actually it's starting right now, and now it's running. Right, to end this, all I do is hit plat uninstall daemon, and that takes it out of service. Verify that by going back to services, go down to Niagara, and you see there is no Niagara service running. There's no Niagara service at all, right? That's how you change different versions of what you want to run. If I want to run, let's just say DizTech, we'll do the same thing. I'd open this DizTech version and type the same thing, plat install daemon. I go look at my services, go down to Niagara, and I see that is now the DizTech, the ECNet, which is DizTech 410 version. And as long as you do that every time, then your workbench stays clean. Nothing mixes, intertwines. I've worked service or support for a few years, and I've had to have Honeywell, Johnson, DizTech, all the branch of workbench on my computer, and sometimes I wasn't so good about ending the daemon, and I would open up one while another daemon was running, and files got intermixed. And about once a month or so, you had to go and clear them out and close it out. But that's how I do it. That's how I put it in there. You can, like I said, download that workplace tech or whatever it is to get it running. But that's how I keep them clean now. Thanks for watching the video.